If you don't like science but still get hiccups, then stick around, this one's for you, hiccups. Those annoying little spasms we all get, they're actually an evolutionary leftover from our reptilian ancestors. Yep, you heard that right. Back in the day when our distant relatives were crawling around, they needed to develop their breathing muscles. Fast forward a few million years, and we still have this quirky reflex, even though we ditched the scales for skin. So, next time you're hiccuping in the middle of your Zoom call, remember, you're just channeling your inner lizard. Wild, huh? And here's a pro tip. Try holding your breath or sipping water. It might just trick your brain into chilling out. But if you're looking for a guaranteed cure, well, science is still working on that one. If you found this cool or hilarious, hit that subscribe button for more science surprises. Catch you later, Science Squad.